Booking a cruise can be a thrilling experience, but small mistakes often lead to big headaches. First-timers may overlook essential details like timing the flights right or understanding onboard policies, which can turn an exciting getaway into a frustrating ordeal. Knowing how to avoid these pitfalls is key to making your cruise smooth and stress-free. According to recent reports, in the past 2 years, 27% of cruise passengers were first-time cruisers, which is a 12% increase from the previous 2 years. Many of these travelers encountered common rookie mistakes, such as arriving late to ports or underestimating the complexity of cruise logistics. In this video, we'll share 20 expert tips on avoiding the most frequent cruise mistakes. Covering packing tips to scheduling advice, you'll gain insights to ensure your first cruise is everything you've dreamed of. Have you ever wondered how to make a cruise feel effortless and fun? Keep watching and let's make it happen. Let's get started. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Not flying in the day before. One of the most significant errors is booking a flight that arrives on the same day as your cruise departure. Flights can face delays or cancellations, leaving travelers stressed or even stranded. Arriving the day before allows extra time to account for these uncertainties and helps ensure you won't miss your cruise. Staying overnight near the port also means you can board early, making embarkation smoother. Early boarding often lets you enjoy fewer crowds and gives you time to explore the ship before setting sail. Planning with a buffer day can turn what could be chaos into a relaxing start. The added time lets you adjust to your surroundings, ensuring you're refreshed for the journey. Start your vacation stress-free by planning flights to avoid cutting it too close. Number 2. Not knowing how long it takes to board and deboard. Many first-time cruisers underestimate how much time it takes to board or leave the ship. Embarkation involves security checks, luggage handling, and check-ins, often taking a couple of hours. It's not as simple as arriving at the port and walking straight onto the ship. Disembarkation can take even longer, especially with customs checks and large crowds exiting at the same time. Misjudging this process can lead to missed flights or delays. Budget ample time, especially if you're booking flights for the same day your cruise ends. Number 3. Ignoring seasickness preparations. Even those with no history of motion sickness can feel queasy at sea, especially during rough weather. Many first-timers may underestimate the possibility of seasickness, believing they are immune. Although it's wise to pack remedies such as seasickness bands, ginger candies, or medication like Dramamine. Some cabins, particularly those in the middle of the ship on lower decks, experience less motion. Choosing these can make a significant difference if you're prone to seasickness. Preparing for this issue can save you discomfort and make your cruise far more enjoyable. Being proactive means you won't spend precious vacation days confined to your cabin. A little planning can keep you steady and ready to enjoy every moment. Number 4. Misunderstanding time zone differences. Time zones on cruises can be confusing, especially when ports and departure cities operate on different schedules. First-timers often assume shipboard time matches local port time, leading to missed excursions or late arrivals. Research beforehand to clarify how time changes will affect your plans. Most ships keep to a single time zone throughout the journey, regardless of the port's local time. Ensure your watches and devices are set to ship time to avoid mistakes. Announcements will remind you, but it's up to you to stay mindful. Being informed about time zones avoids unnecessary stress and ensures smooth transitions between ports. Double-check your itineraries to stay on track. Number 5 on our list of cruise mistakes first-timers always make is cutting it too close after excursions. Excursions are often a highlight of cruising, but they can also cause stress if poorly timed. Many first-timers book independent tours without considering the ship's departure schedule. Getting back late could leave you stranded, as ships rarely wait for delayed passengers. Booking excursions through the cruise line provides a safety net since these tours guarantee a timely return. If you choose an independent operator, leave plenty of time for potential delays. Avoiding risky schedules ensures you can enjoy the experience without worry. Always plan a buffer for unforeseen issues like traffic or weather. Being cautious keeps your vacation enjoyable and uninterrupted. Number 6. Traveling without a passport. Some cruises let you board with just a birth certificate, but this can be risky. If you're left behind at a foreign port due to illness or other emergencies, re-entering your home country without a passport becomes a major hurdle. Carrying a valid passport ensures you're prepared for any scenario. Passports also simplify customs checks, expediting the boarding process. Even if it's not strictly required, having one can save you headaches during unexpected situations. It's a small step that could make a big difference. Preparedness is key, and a passport is a crucial tool for safe international travel. Number 7. Assuming your phone will work. Many first-timers don't realize that regular phone plans often won't work at sea. Cruise ships rely on satellite connections, which come with expensive roaming fees. Relying on your phone without a plan for connectivity can result in surprising costs. Research cruise line Wi-Fi packages or consider offline communication tools like messaging apps when connected at ports. Download maps, guides, and entertainment beforehand to minimize data usage. Understanding connectivity options prevents unexpected bills and keeps you connected when necessary. Number 8. Using a debit card for deposits. Cruise lines place a hold on credit or debit cards for onboard expenses, but debit cards can complicate access to your funds. These holds might temporarily freeze large amounts of money, leaving you short on cash during the trip. Using a credit card avoids these issues while providing more flexibility for unexpected charges. First-timers often overlook this detail, leading to unnecessary financial stress. Review your payment options to ensure your finances remain accessible. Number 9. Forgetting to pack nice clothes for dining. Cruise dining experiences often feature elegant dress codes, especially for formal nights. Many first-timers overlook this, bringing only casual outfits. Showing up underdressed can limit your dining options or make you feel out of place. Research your cruise line's dress codes and pack accordingly. Having a few smart outfits ensures you can enjoy all the dining experiences the ship has to offer. Preparation avoids disappointment and enhances your overall experience. Embracing the dining culture adds a touch of sophistication to your trip. Dressing appropriately ensures you make the most of it. Number 10 on our list of cruise mistakes first-timers always make is underestimating the size of the ship. First-time cruisers often don't realize how massive cruise ships can be. Navigating the decks and learning the layout can take time, leaving some overwhelmed. Not knowing your way around can also cause delays or missed events. Familiarize yourself with the ship's layout through maps or apps provided by the cruise line. Allocate extra time to get to show, dining venues, or activities. Preparation helps you feel more confident and comfortable exploring the ship. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 11. Not packing for cold weather. Even warm weather cruises can get chilly, especially on open decks at night. Many first-timers assume tropical destinations mean constant heat, but breezy evenings can leave you wishing for a sweater. Pack versatile layers to adapt to changing conditions. A light jacket or sweater ensures you stay comfortable regardless of the temperature. Preparation means you won't miss out on stargazing or evening events. Number 12. Forgetting about sunscreen regulations. Certain destinations, particularly tropical ones, have strict rules about sunscreen. Some prohibit formulas with harmful chemicals to protect coral reefs. Not knowing this can lead to confiscated products or fines. Research approved sunscreens for your itinerary and pack accordingly. Reef-safe options are widely available and help preserve the environment while protecting your skin. Being eco-conscious benefits both you and the planet. Number 13. Overpacking and missing essentials. Packing too much while forgetting key items like medications or toiletries can complicate your cruise. Overpacking makes navigating small cabins challenging, while missing essentials requires costly onboard purchases. A factor in play in this statistic would be the missing essentials. Make a checklist to ensure you bring what's necessary without going overboard. Prioritize versatile items to save space while staying prepared for different activities. Smart packing ensures you're ready for anything the cruise might bring. Number 14. Not researching tipping policies. First-time cruisers often overlook tipping customs, leading to confusion or unintended expenses. Many cruise lines include gratuities in the fare, while others require tipping staff directly. Failing to research this policy can leave you unprepared and scrambling to budget appropriately. Understanding tipping practices helps you avoid awkward situations and ensures the crew receives fair recognition for their service. Review your cruise line's guidelines and prepare small bills for any additional tipping needs, like excursions or bartenders. Number 15 on our list of cruise mistakes first-timers always make is not booking specialty dining in advance. Specialty dining often provides elevated experiences with unique menus or themes, but first-timers might wait too long to book. These restaurants frequently fill up quickly, leaving you with limited options during peak dining times. Assuming you can reserve on board may lead to missed opportunities. Booking in advance guarantees a seat at your preferred restaurant and ensures you enjoy the culinary highlights. Check out reviews or sample menus beforehand to make informed choices. Planning your dining experiences elevates the entire cruise and ensures a memorable meal. Specialty dining adds variety and charm to your trip, so early reservations can make all the difference. Don't miss out by waiting too long. Number 16. Overlooking cruise insurance. Many first-timers dismiss cruise insurance as an unnecessary expense, but emergencies happen. Illness, cancellations, or missed connections can turn a planned vacation into an expensive ordeal without coverage. Not considering this safeguard could leave you vulnerable to unexpected costs. Cruise insurance protects your investment, offering peace of mind during unforeseen situations. Review policies carefully to ensure they cover medical emergencies, trip interruptions, and cancellations. Being insured keeps your vacation on track, even if plans go awry. An extra layer of protection can make all the difference, turning potential stress into a manageable situation. Investing in insurance supports a worry-free trip. Number 17. Not reading cruise reviews. Skipping the step of reading reviews often leads to unrealistic expectations or surprises. First-timers may assume every cruise experience is similar, but each ship, itinerary, and cruise line offer unique experiences. Reviews provide valuable insight into food quality, entertainment, and the overall atmosphere. Researching feedback from previous travelers helps you understand what to expect and avoid disappointment. Look for comments on amenities, service, and tips specific to your chosen ship. A little effort up front leads to better preparation and more tailored expectations. Cruise reviews help you make informed decisions, ensuring a trip that matches your preferences. Number 18. Underestimating the importance of comfortable shoes. Cruising involves a surprising amount of walking, both on board and during excursions. First-timers often pack stylish shoes that aren't suitable for long distances, leading to sore feet or even injuries. Comfortable, supportive footwear is essential for enjoying your trip fully. Pack versatile shoes that match both casual and dressy outfits while prioritizing comfort. This ensures you're ready for activities like exploring ports or navigating the ship's many decks. Focusing on practical footwear keeps you energized and ready for every adventure. Happy feet mean a happier trip, so don't sacrifice comfort for style. Number 19. Not researching seasonal weather patterns. First-timers often overlook how seasonal weather affects cruise conditions. Booking during hurricane season or rainy months can lead to canceled ports or rough seas. Understanding typical weather for your destination helps you plan for a smoother trip. Check historical data to choose the best time of year for your cruise. Packing accordingly ensures you stay comfortable during changing weather conditions. Being informed avoids surprises and prepares you for the elements. Choosing the right season enhances your overall experience, ensuring a more enjoyable journey. Weather awareness matters more than you might expect. Last on our list of cruise mistakes first-timers always make is not taking advantage of loyalty programs. Many cruise lines offer loyalty programs that first-timers often miss out on. These programs provide perks like discounts, upgrades, and exclusive onboard benefits for repeat cruisers. Not signing up leaves you out of opportunities to save or enhance future trips. Registering early ensures you start building points from your very first trip. Even if you're unsure about cruising again, enrolling costs nothing and offers potential rewards. Loyalty benefits can significantly improve your travel experience over time. Thinking ahead about loyalty pays off with added value and perks. Cruises offer unforgettable adventures, but mistakes can quickly complicate your experience. Starting with planning flights wisely to being mindful of time zones, each detail matters. Avoiding common pitfalls ensures your trip goes smoothly, letting you focus on relaxation and fun. With the right preparation, you'll be better equipped to handle the nuances of cruise travel. Pack strategically, respect timing, and take advantage of the ship's many offerings. These tips will save you from unnecessary stress and make your vacation as enjoyable as it should be. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.